Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas real estate agent. So today I'm here in City Summerlin. That's right. City Summerlin is an age-restricted community. And this home that we are going to tour today was actually built in 1997. It is a single story that features 2,334 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. This home has been completely remodeled from floor to ceiling. This thing has all the bells and whistles. So we're going to dive deep. We're going to take a look at it together. One thing I want to share with you with this community, you're going to realize it's actually on a golf course. In addition to that, look how wide the streets are. And you have sidewalks on both sides. And one thing I noticed about this is that I'm going to say that you can't park on the streets. That's right. You got to park on your driveway. So in the exterior of this home, looks like they did some nice greenery with the synthetic grass. Did some river rock, as you can see. And they painted the exterior. 3-car garage here. So let's go inside. Let's take a look. Now, I'm going to point out a couple things that they did here. This sidewalk from the garage here, as you can see, they have some nice tile. Takes you all the way right into the front of the home with the French doors, frosted glass. Exterior has been painted, and you have some nice modern lighting. What you're going to see back here, look at this, it just brings you straight back. Literally, this is like pulling you right out to the back. Now, for feng shui purposes, this is probably not going to work. For the yin and the yang, I guess. Money coming in, money going out. However, if you're not Asian, you don't believe in that stuff, you're completely fine. Take a look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. You guys soak that in. You got a bunch of quail, rabbits, and all that stuff. You got the view fencing. They literally redid everything here. Look at all the quail. Just taking off. Hummingbirds. You got synthetic grass here. You got a golf ball here too. Interesting. See, oh, this is a mojo, baby. I'm gonna take this right here. That's mine. The only thing you gotta watch out, man, somebody chucked the ball right into your yard, hit your glass or something. So it looks like they do have a stub here for the gas. They added 12 by 24 on the exterior patio here. You got these nice sliders. You got luxury plank vinyl. But if you take a look at this, you got the double tray ceiling here, which they cladded that with some wood flooring, which is really nice. High ceilings. Come back to the entryway. I mean, take a look at this. They did a really good job. Definitely attention to detail. So here we have one room with the French doors. Now, if you guys want the information, I'll have a link in the description below or in the description in the comments. But most importantly, you guys are watching this on TV, so wait till the end, or if you want to fast forward it to the end, I'm going to have a QR code. With that QR code, take your time, take your phone out, and take a picture of that QR code. Go to your photo settings or your app on your phone, and take your phone right over that QR code. Now, a link should be popping up. Once that link pops up, then go ahead and click that link. Here we have some drywall line here. And also I noticed that we're missing a cap here, where the cap needs to be screwed on, which is really easy to do. So that's not a big deal. However, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna turn the lights as we go along. So our primary is here. We have another bedroom here. I love how they cladded this. Great design. 8-foot doors. This is a suite here. Very high ceilings. 10-foot ceilings. Looks like you got 8 inches on the baseboards. Definitely a quality gray carpet here. Closet door. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this is a pretty brand new closet door. Oh, that's clean. Look at that. That's attention to detail right here with this casing. That's clean. Now let's take a look. We have 20 by 24 on the tile. Coming into the tub shower combo. Looks like that has been resurfaced. Did the porcelain tile, added a soap box. Missing a cover plate here. Wow, they got the peninsula on here. Not the peninsula, but the vessel sink. White shaker cabinets, soft closing, obviously. Oh, what do we have here? We got a linen closet. Wow, they put a lot of money into here. I don't know if I told you guys the price, but the price is $1,249,900. This is kind of cool. Getting a little bit sidetracked. That's cute. And got some Starbursts. I'm gonna steal one. I know I shouldn't be eating this, but I want to get. I'll probably steal one once I leave. But man, look at that. Gorgeous, huh? We're gonna start off on this side. Let's go down here. Wait till you guys see this kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Now, a couple things with this kitchen. What I like about it is, it's like, I feel like cozy, like, makes me just want to hang out on this side here. So we have a nice hard composite. This is a certain type of quartz. This is going to be a little bit more expensive. You have a 2-inch front face. Also, take a look at this island. This is not your regular island here. This is all completely skinned, all trimmed out. Look at this. You can tell the craftsmanship, high level. So they did a really good job on this. Like, I cannot complain about this. Even with the toe kicks, look at that. I'm gonna say this is pretty sick. So you got the Z-line microwave package appliance as well. You got some pot drawers. Looks like there's a little crack here for the installation. This definitely needs to be sanded down. That's something I would definitely do, but these are all cosmetics, quick, easy fix. Ooh, you got this nice farmer's sink with this front apron. Stainless steel. Oh, this is a Moen sink. And I love these new pot fillers and the industrial dishwasher spray here, which is really nice. Love that. But take a look at this. Open this window and look outside. Beautiful backsplash. Really complements the kitchen here. Also, what I liked about this kitchen, what they did was, because they had this tray ceiling with, look at this skylight that brings in a lot of light. They added the 3 pendant lighting here, which is really nice. And looks like they did the LED lights as well. 42 upper cabinets, and that's like an 8-inch crown. Whoever did this style did a very good job here. This is a Thor. This is a 48-inch Thor. The Thor. Look at that. Man, they got some workmanship here. Look at that. Just look at this. Look at that. Thor dishwasher. And here's your little dining room little nook area. Got some plantation shutters. You also have a door to access that too as well. So here's kind of like your little chill spot. This is so creative now with these little 1x2s, where you can just make these little creative feature walls here. See that a lot. Coming down this way, we have a floating vanity. Again with the vessel sink. Look at this. Wow, interesting, huh? Oh yeah, you have some light coming in that way too. Another thing, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but did you know you have a right to do a quality testing of the water? That's right. During your inspection. Not too much people do that. So we have a 2-car garage, actually 3-car, but you have all this shelf blocking it, so you probably park your golf cart there. Wow, we got a central vac. You got purification system, soft water. You got the Bosch. Whoa, what does this go into? Oh, what is this? What is this? Storage? Wow, is this like a little freezer? Oh, this is like a man-made built-in freezer or something. Interesting. Okay. You got a sink outside too as well. This, what is this supposed to be? I'm not too sure what that is supposed to be. Oh, so you got an air conditioning unit for inside here. You got your hatch inside your attic. Love the fact that you got the furnace here. These look like they're pretty much new. Your filters are gonna go here, so that's a little bit different. Water heater is brand new. Might as well just turn all this off while I'm here. Take you guys with me for a cruise, because that's what we're doing. Oh, look, you get that little wine rack. Interesting. That's been sitting there for a while. You can tell, look at this. The wine has dried up. Alright, let's get going. So you got this little barn door here. Looks like they got this from IKEA. IKEA. I could be wrong though. So this is kind of like your pantry. Front door just closed on me, but ooh, that's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now let's go into the primary. Look at this, we got a skylight there. Come back down. Here we go. Now this room is going to be a little bit dark because there's not like no LED lights or anything. However, this home is fully staged. Too bad we didn't have 4 can lights to bring in some light here. However, we're going to go into the bathroom. You got 20 by 20 porcelain tile. The bathroom has been completely re-gutted, as you can see. You got white shaker cabinets, vessel sink, 3 mirrors, and they did a really good job on these 24 by 48 ceramic tile here. They redid this whole spa bath, or turned it into a spa bath. I love this tile here. Complements the Schluters. Got the bench seat. They added the extra knob here. I mean, this is gorgeous. They did a really good job. Something that you just can't deny. Got your walk-in closet, pretty decent size. Take a look at the bathroom again. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Yes, I did do my eyebrows. What do we have here? We got our little water closet and extra storage spaces. The original cabinets here, you can just tell. Alright guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you guys don't have a real estate agent, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Believe it or not, it doesn't even cost you. And keep in mind that we'll help you. It doesn't matter even what price point you're at. If you're buying a $250,000 home, $50,000 home, we'll help you out. I mean, we literally just got one in the contract, especially in today's market. It's a little bit tough when you go lower in the price point. And that was originally at $280, and we still got it done. That's right. Look, at the end of the day, I'm not asking for your business. I'm looking to earn your business. That's what the difference is. And I can guarantee you, there's no other real estate agent that's better than me. Look, I don't want to gloat or anything like that, but I take this serious. I mean, you guys know I'm doing videos like every single day. I have a passion for this. This is just who I am, and this is what I love to do. Okay? Alright guys, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.